Good morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to start a new chapter, lesson number 10, Painters. So we have seen many beautiful paintings, is it children? We have many beautiful painters. For example, Michelangelo, Picasso. So these are some of our famous painters who paints very beautifully, is it? So they are called as, who does the paintings? Okay, so they are called as painters. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to learn some of the facts about these famous painters. Okay, so lesson number 10, painters. So in this chapter we are going to learn about some of the facts about the painters. So everyone open your textbook, lesson number 10, painters. So now we will start writing the textbook exercise. Okay, so given below are some facts about famous painters. Identify them and write their names from the help box. So here they have given some of the facts about the famous painters. So we will identify who are they. Okay. So the first question is, he was a Dutch painter who worked mostly in the south of France. He lived a troubled life. Only his brother Theo believed in his genius while he was alive. During his short life as an artist, he produced some 750 paintings and 1600 drawings. So he was this painter, he was a Dutch painter. Okay, so he worked mostly in south of France. So they were very poor. He lived a very troubled life. Only his brother Theo believed his genius. Okay, his genius when he was alive. So during his short life, so in his lifetime as an artist, he produced more than 750 paintings and 1600 drawings. Okay, so who was he? He was Vincent van Gogh. Okay, the first answer is Vincent, V-I-N-C-E-N-T, Vincent van Gogh, G-O-G-H. Okay, so Vincent van Gogh. So during his short life as an artist, he has produced 750 paintings and 1600 drawings. He was Vincent van Gogh. The second one, he was the most famous artist of the last century. He was born in Spain but lived in France. People said he could draw before he learned to talk. He disliked paintings that looked like photographs and admired the curving shapes of African sculptures. So who was he? He was Pablo Picasso. Okay, the second answer is Pablo Picasso. P-A-B-L-O. Pablo Picasso. P-I-C-A-S-S-O. Okay, so Pablo Picasso, he was a famous artist in the last century. Okay, he was born in Spain, but he lived in France. People used to tell that he could draw before he learned to talk. So he learned paintings from such a small age. So he was doing paintings very beautifully. So the people were talking about like that. He could draw before he talked. So he disliked paintings which looked like photographs, and he admired, he liked the paintings, the curving shapes of African sculpture. He admired the curving shapes of African sculpture. So he was Pablo Picasso. Okay. Next we move on to the third one. He was one of the most famous of all Dutch painters. Helped by assistants, he produced hundreds of paintings and drawings. He is best known for his portraits of the wealthy townspeople of Holland. So he was Rembrandt van Rijn. Okay, the third answer is Rembrandt, R-E-M-B-R-A-N-D-T. Okay, Rembrandt van Rijn. R-I-G-N. Rijn. Okay, so he, along with his assistants, he has produced hundreds of paintings and drawings. So he is best known for his portrait of the wealthy townspeople of Holland. So he was Rembrandt van Rijn. R-I-J-N. Okay. Next we go to the fourth one. He was a painter and sculptor. He lived in Italy at the time of Renaissance. He spent 4.5 years painting pictures in the Sistine Chapel in the Vatican City. Many of his statues are very large and lifelike. He was the chief architect of St. Peter's in Rome. So he was Michelangelo. Okay, the fourth answer is Michelangelo. M-I-C-H-E-L-A-N-G-E-L-O. Michelangelo. So he was a famous painter as well as a sculptor. Okay, he lived in Italy at the time of Renaissance. So he carved the pictures. Many of his statues are very large and light. So it looks like an originality. So he was the chief architect of St. Peter's in Rome. So he was Michelangelo. Okay. Next we move on to the fifth question. He is India's most famous painter and filmmaker who enjoys multifarious range of occupations, interests and passions. His paintings were exhibited in the art galleries of Prague and Zurich in 1966. So he was awarded the Padma Shri by the government of India. So he was Maqbool Fida Hussain. Okay. So the fifth answer is Maqbool, M-A-Q-B-O-O-L. Okay. B-O-O-L. Maqbool Fida Hussain. H-U-S-S-A-I-N. Maqbool Fida Hussain. So he was a famous painter and filmmaker. Okay, he is India's most famous painter and filmmaker who enjoys multifarious range of occupants, interests and passions. His paintings were exhibited in the art galleries of Prague and Zurich in 1966. So he was also awarded the Padma Shri by the government of India. So he was Maqbool Fida Hussain. Okay children, so these are some of the facts about the famous painters. So these were some of the famous painters which we have learned in this chapter. Okay, so write down neatly in your textbook. Okay children. So children, now we have completed lesson number 10, painters, and this chapter we have learned some of the interesting facts about some of the famous painters. Now we'll move on to lesson number 11, stadiums. Okay, so what are stadiums? Stadiums is a place where outdoor sports are played, is it? So you all know where the cricket have been played. So it is in the stadium. So stadium is a place where outdoor sports are played. Okay, so in this chapter we will learn some of the stadiums and in which place they are located. Okay children, so in this chapter we are going to learn the stadiums in which place they are located. So shall we start writing the textbook exercise? So start lesson number 11, stadiums. Write the place where the following stadiums are located. So the first is Yadavindra Stadium. Yadavindra Stadium. So where it is located? It is in Patiala. So the first answer is Patiala. 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 Okay, so Yadavindra Stadium is in Patiala. So the second is Green Park. So Green Park Stadium, where it is located? It is in Kanpur. So the second one is Kanpur. 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 So Green Park Stadium is located in the place Kanpur. Next is Baravati Stadium. Baravati Stadium. So where it is? It is in Cuttack. So the third answer is Cuttack. C-U-T-T-A-C-K. Cuttack. So Baravati Stadium is in Cuttack. So next we'll go to the fourth one, Keenan Stadium. Keenan Stadium is in Jamshedpur. Where it is? Jamshedpur. Keenan Stadium is in Jamshedpur. Okay, Jamshad, Jamshed, P-U-R, Jamshedpur. So Keenan Stadium is in Jamshedpur. The fifth one is Punjab Cricket Association Stadium. Punjab Cricket Association Stadium. So where it is located? It is in Mohali. So the fifth answer is Mohali. Okay. So Mohali, which stadium it is? Punjab Cricket Association Stadium is in the place Mohali. It is located in Mohali. The sixth is VCA Stadium. So where is this VCA Stadium located? It is in Nagpur. The sixth answer is Nagpur. VCA Stadium is located in Nagpur. Next, the seventh one is Paljor Stadium. Paljor Stadium is in Gangtok. So the seventh answer is Gangtok. G-A-N-G-T-O-K. Gangtok. So Paljor Stadium is located in Gangtok. Next, the eighth one is Nehru Stadium. So Nehru Stadium is located in Pune. The eighth answer is Pune. Okay, so the Nehru Stadium, it is located in which place? Pune. Next, the ninth one, Wankhede Stadium. Wankhede Stadium, it is in Mumbai. So the ninth answer is Mumbai. Okay, Wankhede Stadium is located in the place Mumbai. The 10th is Ferozshah Kotla Stadium. Ferozshah Kotla Stadium is in New Delhi. So the 10th answer is New Delhi. Stadium. Where it is? Yes, it is in Bangalore. Bangalore. So, which stadium is in Bangalore? Chinnaswamy Stadium is located in Bangalore. 12th one, M.A. Chidambaram Stadium. M.A. Chidambaram Stadium. So, where it is located? It is in Chennai. The 12th answer is Chennai. Okay, M.A. Chidambaram Stadium is located in Chennai. So the last one, 13th one, Eden Gardens. So where this Eden Gardens Stadium is located? It is in Kolkata. Okay, Kolkata. So Kolkata, which stadium is that? Eden Garden Stadium is located in Kolkata. So these are the places where the stadiums, okay, are located. So write down neatly, children, in your textbook. Okay. So here is the time to end the session. So in this session we have completed lesson number 10, painters. So in this chapter we have learned some of the facts about famous painters. Then lesson number 11, stadiums. Okay, in this chapter we have learned the following, okay, in which the place, some of the places where the stadiums are located. So write down all the textbook exercise neatly in your textbook. Okay children, so here is the time to end the session. In the next session will be with the new chapter. Okay, thank you.